morning guys. So today's plan is that first I am going to Mysore Palace and then I am going to Chamundi Hills. So one budget tip for you is whenever you are coming into tourist place, try to travel in buses so that you can save some money. Guys, I reached the Chamundi Hills. View you can see behind me is very fascinating over here. I'm sure that you're going to have a good time when you come here. So the way you want to come up is, there are two options. One, you can come through the steps or you can take a bus. The bus number what you want to take is 201. So today is the day 3 of my journey. So I'm still in Mysore because there are some elections going on, so the bus transportation is not that comfortable. So I need to change my plan till tomorrow. There was nothing much around to see, so I just came to this lake called Karanji Lake and I'm just cruising around in the boat. Got this boat for 50 rupees and the ride is for 15-20 minutes and it feels very relaxing and refreshing. If you are having plenty of time to spend in Mysore, this is a place to try. Really, it's refreshing. It's a nice place, guys.